One.
What's up, guys? Here working on the Seville. Man, I don't like the way they engineer these, but they're crow cars at the same time. But basically got the water pump. Yeah, water pump is on.
There we go. Yep. Okay.
I got that
Studs
right.
and all, looks like.
Yep. Well, one stud's on the clutch fan still, and the other one I got to take out of the old water pump.
Right.
We are changing out the thermostat after all, which is to make it a little bit easier to make the hose that goes from here to there. Let's see, what else? Brand new power steering pump. New lines. This one's almost in. The pressure line's in. Still have to tighten it down at the gearbox once I kind of have the power steering pump where I want it. What else? Oh, did notice, and I'm gonna go in the bolt bin, that these two bolts that holds this bracket to the motor are missing. So we'll get that all fixed up for the gentleman. I got my right size caps, so I can cap that off. That came
Right
in
there?
Yep, came in today, which I'm stoked on.
What happened to the belt?
I just took it off.
That one.
Yeah, took it off.
Where's the other half of it? Ah, okay, I'm going blind. I'm blinded.
That's okay. The desert will do that to you. I mean, love the desert. Love it out here. I want to go back to the beach. It's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish running these lines real quick, and then we got to move some cars around. Scotty would love to work on his car today a little bit, which I don't blame him one bit.
Yeah, it's time. This is my half day to do my car while it's still warm, because we got some cold weather coming and stuff and a lot of rain, and I just want to be prepared for it so that I know that I'm safe and sound. So on that note, let's get back to Burnsy.
All right, guys.
What else do we have left? Anything that we need to show anybody?
Well,
that we can put on film without getting kicked off of YouTube.
Oh, it's like that, huh?
Yeah, we got we got to be somewhat respectable.
No, not right now. You know, I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. Once cars are moved around, he can start working on his thing. And then I'm just gonna keep on trucking here. So, gotta have some kind of fun, right?
Exactly.
Because I wanna go back to the F100.
Yeah, pretty truck. Okay, back to work.
Back
and
to work.
3, 2, 1. See ya.